Hey everybody, today we're going to take a quick walk around the Vaporflask Squonk. I noticed when I bought this that there weren't very many YouTube videos on it, so I figured I'd show it to you and there would be at least one. So we've got the front view. Moving over to the fire side, fire button. The back side with the USB. And the Squonk side. The bottom, I'll zoom in a bit so you can see it. And the top with the display. I'll zoom in again. Okay, we'll take you up a little closer so that you can see the bottle removal. Okay, we've moved it a little bit closer so that we can show you battery removal and bottle removal. So there's the bottom of the flask. We'll take out the battery cover. I just use a quarter for this. And there's the battery. We'll put the battery back in. Make sure when you put your battery in there's no resistance, no labels. This is a 25R. I don't really love Sony VTCs, so that's why I'm not using one. And the battery's in. Let's take out the bottle. To take out the bottle, you just remove the bottom cap. Flip it around so you can see the bottle. And just put your fingernail right on the top of the bottle, give it a slight tug down, and it comes right out. To fill the bottle, pop the cap off. Fill as usual. Drop the cap back on and reinsert. If you look up inside the flask, and we'll try to show you this, you'll see a metal tube. You can just barely see it right there. That tube fits into the bottle tube, and so you just slide it in, line it up, and push the bottle up into place. It'll stay in place when you've got it in right, and then just put the bottom cap back on. And there you are. Okay, I wanted to get real close to the display and show you how this works. Vaporflask Squonks are standard DNA 40s by Evolve. So here's the display. When you have a weak battery, that's what it displays. It will still fire while you have a weak battery, but this is the notice that I use to change the battery. You can see that I'm at 40 watts. Here's another little trick with an Evolve DNA 40. You can turn it down from 40 watts to 1 watt. If you hold the down button down when you get to 1 watt, watch the display. It shows genuine and it shows the serial number of the chip. Also, when you power it on for the first time after replacing the battery, you should get that message. Right, let me get this back up to the regular voltage, and I'll show you the build. Okay, here's the build that I'm using. It's a single coil 28 gauge on an Odin. I dual air mode with a single coil. And let me show you the squonking action. Hey everybody, I figured I'd turn it around, take a vape for you off the Squonk at 27.5 watts. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know.